As human beings, we all have embarrassing moments when our social skills are lacking. An uneasy pause may have been the result of your joke. Perhaps you've told the waiter with genuine enthusiasm that they should have a great time eating at the restaurant. There's usually no need to worry about the occasional hiccup among close friends. Eventually, the awkward moment will become a hilarious inside joke that strengthens your relationships with those around you. But if you make many mistakes, it might damage your confidence and well-being. With guidance, developing more effective interpersonal and professional abilities might be easy. Simple shyness might come off as distant, standoffish, or arrogant. In contrast, some actions can appear antisocial or even detrimental to others. Though it may not put you at peace, knowing this can help you comprehend the feelings of those around you. Many employees suffer from social anxiety as face-to-face meetings are commonplace at firms. The excuse that you lack confidence in your ability to carry on a conversation with a coworker for more than 5 minutes is not valid. You shouldn't try to be someone you're not. However, you may need to adjust your strategy, not just so that you come across as friendlier. Instead, it will help you avoid the sources of the most pointless conflict, which can erode your self-assurance. This will help you appear more trustworthy to others and may have additional positive effects on your life. Building your social skills can help you feel more at ease in professional settings where you may have previously felt alone. As a bonus, it can boost your self-esteem, social connections, and capacity for teamwork in the workplace, all of which directly affect your happiness, drive, and success. It can be challenging to improve one's social abilities. However, we believe in your skills and that you will succeed. Learn how to better interact with others at work, in social situations, and all aspects of your life. Let's take a small break. Inbox Dollars is a website that pays you real money for completing simple tasks online such as surveys, reading emails, etc. You will receive $5 just for joining using the link in the description. What defines social skills? A person's social skills include communicating effectively verbally and non-verbally to form relationships and function well in group situations. Consider the benefits of puppy socialization. The more experience a young dog has playing with other puppies, the more it will understand appropriate behavior as an adult. We're all very much the same as human beings. When most individuals think of social skills, they picture how they interact with others in their daily lives. To fit in with the group, they need to be able to talk to anyone, make friends quickly, and command the respect of their coworkers. Even for some people, these don't come easily. For example, people suffering from social anxiety may find it challenging to form meaningful relationships. People who prefer to keep to themselves, whether because of shyness or for other reasons, may appear rude if they decline social situations. Sometimes we lose our social composure because we feel uneasy in the company of strangers. Having a set of guiding principles to return to is a great asset. In the long run, it will benefit you to learn how to improve your social skills. Benefits of good social skills. The question is, what's in it for you? Quite a bit. You need to work on your social skills if you care about your mental and emotional well-being. There is a correlation between the number of close friends and a decrease in anxiety and depression. They also tend to be more agreeable, helpful, and confident. Lack of social interaction is more dangerous to your physical health than being overweight, smoking, or having high blood pressure, as was recognized as early as 1988 by researchers. More recent research has found that social isolation increases the likelihood of developing dementia and old life by as much as 50%. Investing time in bettering your people skills will yield dividends in the form of increased social capital. Courses at many colleges and universities are committed to researching this idea. Social capital is everything that individual gains by participating in a social group. The advantages of social capital stand on their own. You'll have a positive impact on your workplace morale. If you're well liked and cooperative at work, you'll have more people rooting for you when you need them, like when you're trying to get that promotion you've been eyeing. Asking for assistance typically results in receiving it. Whatever you do, it will come back to you. People will treat you well and return the favor if you treat them well and help them. People will respect your personal space as long as you give them theirs. Need to refuse a party? Refusing will be less of an issue if people believe the refusal to be respectful. Using your social skills can allow others to understand your perspective. It will enable you to express your emotions more effectively. Views will be a breeze for you. Stunning first impressions are crucial in job interviews. You couldn't be in a better setting to practice your interpersonal skills. Open up throughout the interview by making direct eye contact and smiling. In what ways may I improve my interpersonal abilities? The question was welcome, so thank you. Yes, expanding your knowledge and developing your social skills is possible. To help you started, here are some broad principles to follow. Develop your sensitivity to the feelings of others. Try to put yourself in their place. Try to put yourself in their shoes and empathize with what they may be experiencing. You'll better grasp their position, allowing you to reply more effectively. Concentrate inwardly. Mind your feelings, ideas, actions, and triggering situations. Then you'll have more command over them when they're with other people. Develop your ability to communicate effectively. Try using techniques like active listening and relaxed body language to show that you are paying attention. This paves the way for better relationships to form. Make believe till you become real. Do what your more outgoing friends do, even if it's only making small talk. You'll get better at it every time you give it a shot. Make sure you ask more questions than you answer. Feel free to ask clarifying questions and actively listen without worrying about interrupting. The self-referential conversation is a common pastime. Compliment someone. Sincere praise is always appreciated. Encourage someone by telling them they did a fantastic job in the meeting or that their project was excellent. If you want me to help, you need to get specific. Keep your manners. Politeness is much appreciated. Using polite expressions like please and thank you can go a long way toward getting what you want. Make use of friendly gestures and eye contact to convey your message. Turn your body toward the person you're talking to. To avoid sounding rude, watch your tone of speech. Establish eye contact. Signal your presence and interest through your body language. Take in the latest headlines. Many discussions center on recent events, so you must be informed to participate. Be careful to keep your mind from wandering. A little nervousness is okay, try not to let it overwhelm you. What you think is not who you are. To calm down in a social setting, taking a deep breath and practicing letting go of your worries are essential. Take baby steps. Spend some time in a coffee shop or talk to your loved ones at home to get the ball rolling. Later, you'll be able to introduce yourself gradually to larger groups of people. You'll soon find yourself surrounded by new pals at whatever social event you attend.